afternoon. My name is Miss Juliet McHale, and I am the principal of the prestigious Parental Kindergarten and Preparatory School. So I started this school in about 2019 with 6 students. Now we have 24 students enrolled. I am hoping to see great things happening for this institution. I want it to be about 300 students because we can host it, So I'm imploring, I am begging all of you, send your students here. This is the place for them to be. We have 4-H going on now. We have gained a lot of sources from 4-H. Miss Blake is our 4-H teacher, and we are doing excellent. We hope to bring on other clubs as we go along and as we gain other students who can help us in building that. Send the students. Send them. I want to big up all the parents who are sending their students to us, and I want to big up my teachers. They are doing an excellent job. Continue to do so. Yes, I have great support from the community, and this is why I'm asking you to continue to send your students to us so we can tutor them.
My name is Michaela Cooper, and I am the head girl of the school. My name is Jason Anthony Kamari, and I'm the deputy head girl of Parental Kindergarten and Preparatory School.
Hi, my name is Michael Myers. I'm the head boy of Parental Kindergarten.
Good morning, my name is Joshua Johnson, and I am the deputy head boy of Parental Kindergarten and Preparatory School. Should come to this school because it's very fun and you can learn a lot.
My name is Misha Morant. I formerly taught grade 1. I go up to grade 6, but right now I have KG3 and KG2. Occasionally, if I have to assist, I'll have other classes. I think this is the ideal school to send your child because it's conducive not only to learning, but to your mental health as well, because we're like family oriented. Everybody tries to work together as one. The camaraderie is good. The teachers are excellent, patient, and hardworking. So I would advise anybody to send their child here. Andre, this is he's full of energy, but he's very receptive to learning. He is always wanting to know new things. He's eager to learn, and if he doesn't understand something, he's persistent. He will try until he gets it. So that's an A+. Because
I'm Barbara Gardner Blake, and my reason for being at this institute, this noble institution, is because it's the best thing that is happening in this community. Living in the community, I am indebted to the community to give back to the community, and even as a retired teacher, I've been retired for 6 years now, and I have endeavored to come back here to give my input in the community. That's why I am here, and I've endeavored to do my best to make this institution more than it ought to be.
My name is Abigail Cole. I am the mother of Zahin James, a pre-K student. Teacher is Miss June, and I must tell you, it's a very good environment as per school with kids. Very informative, very educational. The surrounding is always clean, and I must say we as parents do cooperate as it regards to our children and learning. So we can most times we can find a parent at school assisting, and I must tell you, the environment is very friendly. It was Grandma's decision to send him here because Grandma came by and see the environment and decided to send him here before I made a decision. And he's been coming here since January. He'll be 3 July until grade 6. It's closer to home. The environment is very clean and very healthy. Very, very healthy.
I'm Vivian Brammer, and I am the teacher for the 2-year-old of Betheltown Kindergarten and Preparatory School. I've been here for 3 years,
and love it. My love for kids is what brought me here. The parents are friendly and very, very helpful when it comes to interacting with me and doing the homework and stuff. I have no problem with them. I enjoy everything about it. You know, it's a good environment.
Hi, I'm Sasha. My child is 7 years old and she started this school 2 years ago. So she's currently in grade 1. I really enjoy sending her to this school because the teachers, they're amazing. They check up for the child. If the child is not at school, they're first to call to ask what's happening. I really appreciate how they keep the parents informed, me and my mom, because my mom is mostly the caretaker of my child. They keep us informed in everything, how she's eating, how she's learning, if there are any advances. So I really enjoy sending my child to the school. And let me tell you something about the principal, because I have to big her up, yes. She come by often and we get to see her often, you understand? And let me tell you something, this lady very careful, like she's very, what would you say, passionate about the school. She's very passionate about the kids. She takes pride in this work, she takes pride in what she's doing, and I hope to see the school grow and you know, more parents can send out them pitney and enjoy what I'm enjoying in the school.
My name is Eugene Taylor. I'm the grandma. I'm Jake1's grandma. Nothing was going on for him. And then when I moved back from Antwerp to Parental, I heard about this school and I heard that he's doing very well. And since January, my daughter said, Mommy moved Jake1 and sent him to a school. And I said, I heard about a prep school in Parental, so I'm going to send him here. And since January, means I can't complain. I can't complain. This school is doing very well. Full read. And now he's reading for me. Any message come from the school or anywhere, is he reading for me right now because I'm sick with my eye. And you know, I would encourage anybody, parents or anyone over the world, to send your children right here at Parental Prep School, Principal McKinney School. Principal McKinney School is doing very well. And his teacher is Miss Thompson. Oh God, I can't got her from where she stands up to where she's going up. I don't know how much to give her thanks because he's doing very well. He can say Spanish from January right down to December, and he can count in Spanish, he can do everything.
Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, Diciembre.
What is MY? MY? IS? AT? WE? What is WE? Look at her. IS?